Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where tech meets clarity. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best streaming webcam Full HD ring light on the market. The Angetube 862 Pro streaming webcam with microphone. Whether you're a content creator, remote worker, gamer, or just someone who wants to look their best on video calls, this webcam promises to elevate your video experience. Right out of the box, the Angetube 862 Pro makes a statement. This isn't your average plug-and-play webcam. It's designed to deliver full HD video at 1080p and 60 frames per second. That means ultra-smooth visuals with vibrant colors that are true to life. No more grainy or laggy video feeds. This webcam keeps up with your every move. But where it really shines, literally, is the built-in multi-function ring light. This isn't just a gimmick. With 3 different color temperatures and steepless adjustable brightness, the integrated LED ring light ensures you're always well lit, whether you're streaming in daylight or in a dim room at night. Adjusting the brightness is effortless thanks to a rotating bezel and touch control, which means you never have to fiddle with clunky software just to look good. And speaking of software-free adjustments, the included RF remote gives you total control, wirelessly. From across the room, you can zoom in up to 5x digitally, mute your mic, disable the video feed, or tweak settings like white balance and field of view. That's next-level convenience, especially for Mac users who often get left out of webcam customization. Now let's talk about streaming. This camera was built with streamers in mind. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or running a podcast, the real-time autofocus and auto-low light correction kick in to keep your image sharp and properly exposed without any manual effort. It's also compatible with OBS, Zoom, Skype, FaceTime, Microsoft Teams, you name it. And yes, it even supports plug-and-play on Xbox One. Sound quality is just as important as video, and Angetube knows it. This webcam features dual omnidirectional microphones with built-in noise cancellation. The result is clear, natural audio from any angle, minimizing background noise and focusing on your voice. Great for virtual meetings, online classes, or interactive live streams. And privacy? It's got that covered too, literally. The built-in privacy shutter is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to cover the lens when not in use. Combined with the remote disable feature, it adds a layer of security that's becoming more essential in today's world. The webcam is also incredibly versatile. It connects via USB-A or USB-C, thanks to the included adapter, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, and Chrome OS. Just plug it in and you're good to go. No driver installations, no delays. Honestly, anyone who wants professional-level video without breaking the bank or diving into complex setup. If you're a gamer, teacher, business professional, or just someone tired of looking like a shadowy figure on Zoom, this might be your upgrade. To wrap it up, the Angetube 862 Pro isn't just a webcam. It's a smart, powerful, and flexible tool designed to make you look and sound your best in any environment. Between the 1080p 60fps video, adjustable ring light, remote control, and built-in privacy features, it's hard to find a better value at this price point. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this webcam checks all your boxes, check out the product link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into gear that's worth your time. See you in the next one.